go back, crooked world, wrong path, right mind, wrong dad. I sing this song mad, but not mad enough to shoot you. But it just eats me up like some barbecue from Luther's in the morning with the roosters on the corner with the boosters. And she's the fresh cut, and they're on her like sutures. And I wanna talk to her, her mama has the schooler. I wanna see her better, she's the weather of my future. I don't wanna see another hurricane, maybe you can kill the pain. If you just let me explain, trust me, I know what I'm saying. You will end up on a track of an oncoming train, stuck in the passenger seat, trying to do the fast lane.
Well, once upon a time, there was a mom and a dad who on the outside had everything people wish they had. A beautiful daughter, two-story house, two car garage, and a white picket fence wrapped around the front yard. See, daddy was a doctor, and mommy was a banker. Mommy's job got outsourced, so now mommy's a drinker. Daddy had a malpractice suit, now he's a snorter. And all this shit is taking place right in front of the daughter. She said daddy was wrong, but he's just too high. Mommy, what we gon' do? She just get drunk and cry. Caught in the middle of two wrongs, trying to do right, looking for answers all alone in the darkness of night. They say